foldable camera that shoots 3D and 360. EVO's eyes are just like yours. Open them up and shoot lifelike 3D. Clip on the included 3D viewer and see your memories jump to life. Or snap on holoframe and watch naked eye 3D. You've never seen your phone do this. EVO shoots one image for each of your eyes, then holoframe splits them up with a custom-built filter, and you see 3D. EVO folds up and shoots all directions at once. For big moments, every angle counts. First times can be a little shaky. EVO keeps things steady with gimbal-like stabilization, so you can keep moving and focus on what matters. Time shift mode puts a 360 twist on your time lapses. Vacations will never look the same. Watching in VR is easy. Connect EVO directly to your headset and play back your favorite shots straight off the camera. EVO lets you live your best moments again and again. Capture, share, and relive what you love.
This is Fusion. It's arguably the most versatile creative tool ever made. Fusion has two lenses, one on the front, one on the back.
It's like having multiple cameras shooting in all different directions. You're able to get beautiful 5.2K footage out of this compact device that can fit in your pocket. As GoPro's new VR camera, Fusion is going to let people capture angles that haven't been possible before.
It's waterproof, it's mountable, it's got voice control, it works with the GoPro app. It's a GoPro.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image. We designed the camera with offset lenses for optimal stitching. With the stitch lines taken care of, you're free to enjoy your experience.
The stabilization feature on Fusion is amazing. It's got gimbal-like stabilization, but it's built into the camera.
Your footage is stabilized automatically, so you can relive the experience just as you remember it.
Fusion is not just a VR camera. One of the most exciting aspects of Fusion is what we call overcapture.
Overcapture is when you take spherical content and frame it to traditional video.
You can turn the camera around in ways that was never possible before with traditional GoPros. You're capturing everything at once and then just pick and choose the different angles you want after the fact.
With one camera, you can capture everything, and the GoPro app makes it easier than ever to choose your shots and direct your story later. With Fusion, you can achieve stunning visual effects like angel view, little planet, pano flow, and time shift. Fusion is the next kind of evolution of storytelling at GoPro. Immersive VR, super stabilized footage, stunning visual effects, and a new way of creating called overcapture.
Fusion's the first of its kind. This is ultimately where cameras are headed. You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.
The Insta360 ONE X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the ONE X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Even in eagle. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The ONE X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The ONE X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.
ho, ho!